Whiskey Tower, line up runway 22.
Runway 22, Quebec, Boston.
North 880, tower number 2 for departure. Traffic will be departing runway 22 ahead of you.
Number 2 for departure, check North 880.
Quebec Foxtrot Whiskey Tower on departure, fly runway heading, wind 24022, gust 27, clear for takeoff runway 22.
Clear for takeoff 22, runway heading Quebec, Boston Whiskey. Good, full power. Achieved. Temps pressure's good. Airspeed's alive. There we go.
Romeo Alpha Oscar Tower on departure, fly runway heading, wind 240 at 20, gust 30, clear for touch and go runway 22.
Fly runway heading, clear for touch and go runway 22, Romeo Alpha Oscar.
Turn right, fly heading 360.
Right 360, Quebec, Foxtrot Whiskey.
Quebec Foxtrot Whiskey Tower, there's a highway that's northbound. Let me know when you see that.
Quebec Foxtrot 60 has the northbound highway.
Quebec Foxtrot Whiskey Tower, roger. Stay on the west side of that highway and continue northbound to follow that highway. I'll get you on course shortly.
Perfect. Follow the highway on the west side. And altitude restriction at all at this point?
2,500 for you.
2,500, Quebec Foxtrot.
Romeo Alpha Oscar Tower, are you able to start a left-hand circuit immediately?
Starting left-hand circuit, Romeo Alpha Oscar.
Romeo Alpha Oscar Tower, roger. Start a left-hand circuit now.
Oh, this is crazy.
Which aspect? The wind?
Yeah, like we're going that way, but we're facing that way.
Yeah. Luckily, it seems like all the airports have east-west runways.
Quebec Foxtrot Whiskey Tower, surveillance service terminates here, cleared on route frequency. Have a good day.
Quebec Foxtrot 60, thanks. Have a good day as well. Our ground speed's a whopping 76 knots.
What'd you say our ground speed was?
Now 68 knots. Yeah, this flight should take about, with no wind, would be like an hour and 35 minutes. Instead, it's going to be 2.5 hours.
Okay. I sent Kurt a little video of us crabbing along the highway.
Oh. Yeah, even at this altitude, it's saying the wind is 37 knots.
He says, wow, what's the headwind at right now? Got to be close to 40. What'd you say, 37?
38 now.
Coming traffic north of Winnipeg, star 7 medevac Airbus helicopter. 17 miles northwest of Winnipeg, 2,500. Northwest bound for Ashern, estimating the field in 3-5 minutes. 26-7 Winnipeg, Ashern, star 7 medevac.
26-7 traffic northwest, 42, getting north from Winnipeg, 7,975 northeastbound over there.
Traffic in the Portage and La Prairie area, Gulf Quebec, Fox Whiskey is 172. We're 3 to the south of the Delta NDB, 2,500 westbound. Well, there's a tractor in the field, so it must be dry enough so the tractor doesn't sink in. Although it doesn't look like he's moving, maybe that's as far as we go.
Yeah, maybe he is sunk in.
Got most of the perimeter done, then looks like it's parked. At the end of today, we'll feel like we're on a horse for all day.
Yeah, wait till we get in and try to walk.
Yeah.
Gonna feel like the ground's moving still.
Guess there won't be any food service on this flight.
Nope.
Can't say I've ever had a 37 knot headwind in cruise. Usually you can pick an altitude that lowers the headwind, but not here. Just gets worse if we go higher.
Our ground speed has been down to 68 knots.
Yeah, I know, it's crazy.
Runway Radio Mustang 83 is 11 miles, setting up for straight in, runway 26.
Mustang 83, roger, port 5 miles east.
Mustang 83 will go. Right, radio Cat Force 0535 in the missed approach. Climbing to 8,000 and we'll be right turn out to the north.
Cat Force 0535, roger, port leaving 4,000.
We'll go Cat Force 0535.
I hope that's because he didn't plan to land. But Hercules has to go miss. This could be fun trying to land.
Oh dear.
Well, where we're landing, it's pretty much down the runway, so it shouldn't be too bad. I don't know if it's Virden or Virden. What do you think?
Virden.
Virden? Okay. Give him a call in a few seconds. Brandon Radio, Cessna 172 Golf Quebec, Foxtrot Whiskey.
Quebec Foxtrot Whiskey, Brand Radio.
The Quebec Fox Whiskey is a 172. We're 10 to the northeast, 2,500, en route to Virden. We'll be passing just north of the zone, westbound 2,500.
Quebec Foxtrot Whiskey. Brandon Wind 260 at 25, gusting 36. Brandon altimeter 2987.
2987, Quebec Fox Whiskey, thanks.
Brandon Radio, it's Canfor 0535, just past Google.
Canfor 0535, Roger. Wind 260 at 26, gusting 36.
Canfor 0535, thanks.
26, gust 36.
Holy, now it's getting bumpy.
Yeah.
Virgin traffic, Cessna 172, Golf Arbor Charlie Foxtrot. We are on taxiway on 2 from 26, departing to west 3,000 feet. Arbor Charlie Foxtrot.
Virden traffic. Virden Unicom, Golf Quebec, Foxtrot Whiskey for airport advisory.
Alpha Charlie Foxtrot, can you say again?
It's Gulf Quebec Foxtrot Whiskey asking for airport advisory for Virden. You don't want to talk to me?
I guess not.
Virden traffic, Gulf Quebec Fox Whiskey is a 172, 5 to the northeast, 2,500. We'll be overhead to join mid-left downwind 26 Virden.
Virden traffic off Charlie Foxtrot is backtracking 26 and winds are 15 gusting 20, about 26 down the runway.
That's Quebec Foxtrot Whiskey, thanks. It backtracked. I don't know that you need every inch of it. Not today.
Better safe than sorry, I guess.
I suppose.
Virden traffic off Charlie Foxtrot is airborne off 26, departing to the west 3000.
See them?
No?
The last quarter of the runway, they're above it.
Okay, I can see now.
Yeah. Yeah, that's the runway for sure.
There's just one runway?
Yes. Luckily into the wind.
Good thing it's not a crosswind.
That would be hopeless. 30, gusting 35 or more, imagine. Virden traffic, Fox Whiskey is overhead the field. We'll be joining mid-left downwind 26, Virden. Virden traffic, Quebec Fox Whiskey, mid-left downwind 26. Virden traffic, Quebec Fox Whiskey, base 26.
Wow, we're being pushed like...
Yeah. Might not be my prettiest landing. Virden traffic, Quebec Fox Whiskey, final 26, full stop.
Virden traffic off Charlie Foxtrot is 5 to the west, 3000, switching 26.7.
That was good.
Sometimes you get lucky.
Pretty much straight into the wind.
Yeah.
Virden traffic, this is R44 Foxtrot Romeo Sierra Zulu, currently 9 miles southwest of Virden, 3,500 feet. Any comfort, please advise. I'm going to be joining the left downwind for runway 26.
Virden traffic, Quebec Fox Whiskey, clear all runways. That silo or water tower looks like it's cockeyed.
It does.
Leaning Tower of Virden.